Hey there, it's Tamika again, your favorite travel advisor. Now, here's a little story that I have to tell. And the goal of this story is that you won't make the same mistake that I did. So, it was when I went to Jamaica, and this was pre me ever being a travel advisor, which now that I think about it, that has nothing to do with it. But anyway, so you know how we do when we pack, we go and we start packing and we start getting all of those things that we have not worn in years, but because we're going to go on vacation, we are going to make those outfits work or those shoes work or whatever. We're going to make it work. Ain't touched them in years, but on this vacation, we're going to make it work. So, anywho, I went and I packed. I got these cute shoes. I mean, cute, baby. And actually, I got them pre me being pregnant, which was over a decade ago, but I still got them. And believe me, there are some good shoes out there that last for years, but these apparently were not those. Okay, so anyway, I'm packing those, got everything that I need, and then we had one evening where we were all gonna meet for dinner. So I got super cute, got my super, cute dress on, and I got my favorite heels, which I have not worn in over a decade, but somehow I decided that I was gonna wear them on this vacation. Anyway, did I make that clear? Okay, so anyway, I am trying on my outfit, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and was like, oh yeah, you cute. But something inside of my spirit already told me I felt some type of way with having these shoes on, and my feet just was feeling a certain type of way, and I ignored those feelings. So, I made my way to the elevator, still was feeling not super confident, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna wear these shoes. So anyway, got on the elevator. That first step off the elevator, I was like, oh, hold up. What's going on? Feet a little shaky. I know that I had gained a little weight since the time that I bought them, but I was still confident that I was going to be as super cute as I was when I bought them. But somebody lied to me. Anyway, so I step off the elevator, make my way down to the place where we were meeting for dinner, and I continually started to walk, and I just felt a little shift. And then that first strap pop, girl, when I tell you, I thought everybody and their mama was looking at me, which probably wasn't, but in my eyesight, I thought that everybody was looking at me, because I'm like, okay, yeah, this strap just popped, and I know everybody's seen that. So I continued to walk, because I still, where the strap had popped, I could still walk, but barely. So my cute little walk, I couldn't do that no more. I had to kind of shimmy and shuffle my way to the next hallway where I could, either make a decision. What can I do? Because I was at a point in my life where I had two decisions to make. Either I'm going to have to take these shoes off either way, but either I go eat dinner with my shoes off, which was not allowed, or I could go and take my shoes off and happily walk myself back up to the room and just go ahead and put something on. Either way, them shoes had to come off. So anyway, I continued to walk, and I made a decision to keep going, because I'm a fighter. I don't quit. So I made a decision to keep going, and lo and behold, game completely over. You hear me? Baby, when I say that all the straps popped at once, oh my God, Lord Jesus, why didn't I just stop? Why do we do that? Why do we get these signs to stop, but we continually just gonna push through like we gonna beat this thing? Girl, when I tell you that all of them straps popped off at once, and I was looking like that episode from Martin. I don't know where Gina, I forgot what it was, but Gina did something and she was like looking all raggedy and just, walking with one foot. Girl, that was me. Luckily, I was in a resort where that was just kind of a no, that's what people did. Like people were, they heavily indulged in drinks. So I wasn't out of the ordinary to be walking around with just one shoe. I would say that. But anyway, the moral to the story is shoes have expiration dates too, okay? So what you do need to be packing is stuff that you can actually fit, stuff that have not been inside of your closet for ages. And then also you need to get them bad boys a test run, okay? Because you never know. You do not want to be in a position to where you have to kind of negotiate, okay, where do I need to go? Do I need to go and hold up this wall real quick so I can fix myself? Or do I, you should not have to put yourself in these positions, okay? Take my advice. Expiration dates on shoes, they have them, okay? All right, make sure you like and you follow for more of my, I don't even know what to call them. I just sit back and I just laugh at myself. But anyway, there's more to come. Yes, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and reviews from a travel advisor. Bye.